Hi, my name is Joseph. I'm going to introduce you to a website. It's called All-in-One Profits, and you might have heard of it before if you use traffic exchanges and email mailers and things like that. You might have seen it all over the web because it talks about how you can earn money with it and stuff like that. But I don't want to focus on that in this video. Main thing I want to focus on is, as you see here on the screen I'm sharing with you here is on the other screen. It's actually a you actually can earn money with it because it talks about our products, what your product does, the opportunity you can have, and getting started with it. It's just very straightforward and laid out. You can see what it's all about. But I want to show you is when you actually log in, and I'm going to show you what my account looks like. I've been using it for about a little over a year now with several clients I work with, and I'm going to show you here what it looks like in the back office. Okay, and when you log in, this is what you're going to see. As you can see, I do have a commission here that I earned already, and that's just been from my clients, because they pay every month. And as you can see, I got three referrals, got two of them actually being paid on, and that's the way it works. Is you can read about the compensation plan. That's all over the website. I'm not going to go through that in this video, but what I want to talk about is up here at the top. It says Toolbox. And of course, you have an autoresponder, and this will be compared to that Mailchimp. You have SendGrid, you have TrafficWave, you have many other autoresponders. That's kind of similar to this. Then you have a splash page builder, which is really cool. They have pre-built templates. You can put your autoresponder code in there, and you can actually upload the images, the text, and things like that. And I will show you in a video how to do that specifically. And then you have the blogs that they have. You have VideoTube. Now, VideoTube here is kind of similar to YouTube, but it doesn't have all the commercials and advertisements. So if you have a video that you want to put on your splash page of your stuff recording, whatever, and you don't want YouTube ads all over it or previous videos and things like that that can interrupt your blog or your purpose of the splash page, you can upload it here. Okay. Then the e-library is pretty much for free ebooks. You can actually download ebooks, images, pretty much everything you need. And the trackers, I use this a lot, and basically what it is it tracks all your links. If you're promoting in traffic exchanges or different places, it's always a good idea to see which links are converting, what location they're being at, and things like that. That's what this is. Okay, next one up is going to be the rotator. And a rotator, basically what that is just you have one link that you're promoting, and that one link inside of it, you have like multiple links. Let's say, for example, you have rotator 1, and then that when someone goes to your rotator link, they will view website 1. They go to that same link again, it turns into website 2, then website 3, etc., etc. Keeps going like that, and it keeps going around in a loop. And you can have as many as you want, and it's totally unlimited of how many you can have, and they're very useful. And the next one here is called WP Bundle, and this is basically just WordPress. I mean, it's a higher level. You have to pay a little bit more per month to get access to that. As you can see, I don't have it here. I'm just paying basic. And then same things here. So website builder. You can actually build a website with WordPress. I'm using them if you want. And then the other one is products. And this is just basic, like hosting and other products. I don't know off the top of my head exactly what they offer, but these are packages and what they offer. I'm on basic package right now. So I have access to hosting. I have 1 gig of space I can use, 10 gigs of bandwidth. That's just the speed and things like that. And of course, you have autoresponder, and you have all these things right here that you can actually have all. Okay, I was wrong. I thought you can have more than one rotator. It shows here I only have one rotator, but you can have unlimited URLs. So that's pretty much all you need. Let's see. You have all these other perks here: download builder or downline builder. And then you have notes here you can read, and all about hosting. You have this actually included, and you do have to request it. So if you click here, you can actually request them to set up a hosting, but you do have to have a domain purchased somewhere else. It can be Namecheap, it can be GoDaddy, wherever, and you have to point that domain or the server configuration over to this server here. And that's pretty much it. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create another video going through each and every one of these individually of how I use them, how you can set things up for your business, whatever business you're running. and it will actually, it works great. It's only $10 a month, and that's it. There's no other. There's like with Mailchimp and many others. You know, I'm not I don't want to throw mud at them or anything, but they have limited of how many subscribers you can have or how many emails will be sent out. And now, all in one profit to prevent spam. Now they do limit how many bulk messages you can send out, like per month basis, to your subscribers. For a basic, I think it's like two a month, and if you go upgrade more than that, you can actually, I may think like four, but they have to be separate, like several days. That's to prevent spam, which is good. And another thing too, it has to be a double opt-in. So if they opt into your subscriber, or they put in your email, the name, whatever you're asking for, they have to go to their email and they have to verify that yes, they want to receive emails from you. They do that to protect themselves and you from for being accused of spamming or whatever. So go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna leave description or link in the description. I was about to say description in the link, in a way. But go ahead and check that out, and looking for you on the other side when I'm getting ready to make some more videos on this. Thank you.